Hello traders. Well, did Nifty move today? Definitely Nifty didn't move. Bank Nifty also didn't move much. It has moved only 39 points positive. Well, why did it happen? How did it happen? Whether there was any stock which could move the market, whether FIIs are dominating or DIIs are dominating, what open interest picture is saying, how this expiry ended, this all things we are going to discuss in post market analysis. So without wasting any time, let's go to chart and find out support and resistance. Here I have opened 15 minutes candle of Nifty 50. Here if you see, the support is at 13,876 and resistance is at 13,967. Well, this resistance is recently created, means today only at that level Nifty has touched multiple times. Well, and if you see, Nifty is trading currently at its resistance. What about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty support is at 31,034 and resistance is at 31,374. Well, if you see the gap between support and resistance, then it is not that much gap. Means support and resistance gap is 100 points in Nifty and 300 points in Bank Nifty. So if you see this, then here oversaturation is happening. Means right now the price are way above fair value of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So maybe this is the point where Nifty will halt, or else it will trade within some range and thereafter it will give breakout or breaking. That we have to see in our upcoming trading sessions. Well, when we discussed yesterday, we analyzed that weekly picture and change in open interest picture were saying contradictory picture, and it was clearly indicating that market has not decided to move at any side, and that's what happened in today's market. But if you see whether there was any potential to move the market, definitely there was some potential, but only one type of investors which could move the market, which were FIIs. But FII didn't move much. Well, this was interesting because earlier if you see, DIIs were continuously trying to bring down the market, but FIIs were holding up and they were taking up the market. But today it didn't happen actually. FII didn't want to change the market positively, and that was very much interesting. So that also we are going to discuss in our FII DIS analysis. So stay tuned and watch complete video. We are also going to analyze tomorrow's market and we are going to find out support and resistance for tomorrow as well. You have seen the today's market. Nifty moved? Definitely didn't move. It means there should not be any stock which moved positively greater than 3% or negatively less than 3%. And if you see the market movers which moved greater than 3% and less than negative 3%, then there was no stock which moved in this range. So that's why Nifty also didn't move. Now we want to analyze tomorrow's market, where tomorrow's Nifty is going to go or Bank Nifty is going to go. In order to analyze tomorrow's market, we are going to analyze first what are the upcoming meetings which can affect the market, because these meetings are so important. If any major decision has been taken in these meetings, then definitely these meetings are going to affect tomorrow's market direction. So if you see here, then these 5 companies are going to hold meeting tomorrow. So if you are trading in these companies, or if any major news break out in these companies, then definitely it will affect Nifty. This is about the meeting. Now let's see which are the events which can potentially affect the market, because events plays major role. Sometimes government makes some announcement which can totally turn the market direction. So if you see here, then these were the events today. 3 events. Then only government budget value, it has decreased. Otherwise, all other events has just played out a little bit only. If you see the previous and actual value, there is not a much of the difference. So it didn't gain, it didn't lose. So it didn't affect the Nifty as well. Well, if you see, then 1st January, these are the events. These 3 events are going to be announced tomorrow as well. So look out for the news. If any major news break out, then definitely it will affect the Nifty. So this is about the events. Now let's see what are the change in Nifty and Bank Nifty and what are the VIX picture. If you see here, then VIX is 21.1, which is low. It didn't move much. If it is less than 25, it means it is low VIX. It means there is a less fear in the market. If less fear in the market, it means less volatility in the market. If less volatility in the market, it means option sellers can sell options without any major losses. If you see the change in Nifty and Bank Nifty, then it is a very minor change. You can't say it is a change even, because Bank Nifty moved negatively 39 points. It will affect tomorrow's market as well. Let's do the analysis of total open interest of Nifty and find out where market is going to go tomorrow. So if you see the total open interest picture, here I am taking next expiry, which is of 7th of January. So here if you see put and call almost at 50-50. So if you see still put is 1% higher. So it is indicating there is 51% bullishness in the market and 49% bearishness in the market. Well, it is not saying any clear picture because there is a 50% chances that bull can win and there are other 50% chances where bear can win. Now let's see today's scenario. So if you see the today's scenario, here more call has been sold. It indicates that there was bearishness in today's market. It also indicates that in investors' mind there is a fear that market might go down. That's why they are selling call instead of selling put. So it is indicating that today there was bearishness in the market. It might affect tomorrow's market as well. Now let's go to the Bank Nifty total open interest and see the analysis of Bank Nifty. If you see here, then more put has been sold. It means there was a bullishness in the market. And how much? Well, it was 52% bullishness and bearishness was 48%. But still it is not that much bullish. So here also 50-50 chances for weekly picture. And if you see the change in open interest picture, which is today's picture, then there was high chances, means majority of the people have sold the call. It means they were indicating that Bank Nifty was going to go down, and it is indicating today's picture, and it also indicates what is going to happen in next trading session. So if you see the Nifty and Bank Nifty weekly and change in open interest picture, means today's picture, then it is indicating that Nifty and Bank Nifty might be bearish tomorrow. So tomorrow market will go down until and unless there is some good news comes. Okay, and also see for the big movement, because FIs and DIs, they are major players, and if FIs put more money, then they are going to take the market up. So if any big moves comes, means if within 1 hour some 50 to 80 points moves happen, I am talking about after 10 o'clock, then definitely there is some movement is from FIs or DIs. They will decide the direction of the market. Well, now let's move to the next and do the Nifty open interest distribution. Here we'll be finding out support and resistance as well. If you see here, then support is at 39,000 and resistance is at 14,000. But resistance is much stronger than support. So it might be possible that this support will move down and Nifty will go down tomorrow. So there are higher chances that tomorrow market is going to go down. Now let's move to the next and see the change in open interest distribution and find out support and resistance from this value as well. Who are looking at the market with bullish view and those who are looking at the market with bearish view, they are both at the same points. Means some people are saying that Nifty will not cross 14,000, and these are majority of the people because they are making the positions at 14,000, and that is of selling call. And on other side as well, there are majority of the people who are making at the same positions like 14,000. They are telling that Nifty will go up only. This is the tough competition between bulls and bears. It is very interesting because who takes over the market, that is going to decide the market directions. So let's see tomorrow who takes over the market. Now let's analyze Bank Nifty open interest distribution and find out support and resistance. Here if you see, then support is at 31,200 and resistance is at 31,300. So here also bulls and bears are giving tough competitions to each other. So they are closing the range and nobody is ready to compromise. So it is very interesting because bull people are saying that we'll take the market up, bear people are saying that we'll take the market down. And it is quite interesting scenario. Now let's move for the next and do the analysis of Bank Nifty change in open interest distribution. Here if you see, then support is at 31,200 and resistance is at 31,000 and resistance is at 31,300. Here if you see, then there are people who are thinking that Bank Nifty will not move below 31,200, and there are people who are thinking that market will not move above 31,300, and they are closing the range. It is only 100 points gap is there here. In Nifty and Bank Nifty, bulls and bears fight is neck to neck. So it is very interesting because whoever is going to win, he is going to crush the opposite side. Then one big move will happen on one direction. Now let's see the cash activity analysis of FIs and DIs. DIs were continuously selling. Today also they have sold, but they have reduced their selling capacity. Means they have sold only 257 crore worth of stocks. What about FIs? FIs continued to buy and they have bought heavily today. If you compare it with the selling, but still market didn't move much. Means FIs have bought almost 4 times what DI could sell. Still market didn't move much. Why did it happen? Because there are some people from mutual funds and some retailers or some other investors as well. They are also with DIS, means they are also thinking that market will not move up. But these FIs are not ready to take this loss. They want to take the market up only. And they are the only people who are taking the market up. Here retailers have also lost the hope. Still FIs are moving the market up. So it is going to be interesting because now retailers are with DIS. Now FIs are alone. Now let's move to the next and do the FI future and options analysis. If you see here, then in options FI sold today. Well, definitely they will be selling because today there was expiry, and on expiry people will square off their positions. And in future also they have bought a little bit only. So now it is indicating that FIs are also changing their view about the market. So it is going to be interesting whether FIs wins or they take the loss and let market fall down. Now let's do the final support and resistance analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Here final support for Nifty is at 13,876 and resistance is at 14,000. What about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty final support is at 31,034 and resistance is at 31,372. Well, this is the support and resistance. Based on this analysis, I am taking daily trades. And whatever strategy I am using, that I am updating on my Telegram channel as well. Whatever profit and loss is occurring on my account, that also I am updating on my Telegram channel. So if you are interested to see my strategy, my trading, my profit and loss, then definitely you should join me over Telegram channel as well. That's it guys for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and consider subscribing to this channel.